This beautiful 1973 Ferrari Daytona was fully restored by Farland Classic Restoration. We helped our customer locate this very special car. It was red with a black interior when we found it. The engine had recently been rebuilt and modified for better performance. The customer kept the car for a couple of years and drove it to make sure he liked it enough to invest in further restoration. Once the decision was made, we started to disassemble the car and strip the body down of the tired red paint. A Ferrari dark blue colour with a tan interior was the chosen combination. Like many restoration projects, this one expanded, and we decided to do all of the suspension and the chassis on the car, as well as the engine compartment. Everything was disassembled. The suspension was all brought up to new standards, a custom exhaust was created and carefully installed. Beautiful chrome work was done on all of the bright metal. Connolly leather was sourced for the interior. The center Daytona stamped parts of the seat were sent to Italy to be done by the only place that can recreate those original Daytona seat patterns correctly. The car is not only amazing to look at, but it's also spectacular to drive. When it first came out, it was one of the fastest cars in the world, and it's still fast by today's standards. Farland Classic Restoration has been helping our customers achieve their dreams for over 30 years. If you have a special car you would like help restoring, check us out at farlandcars.com or call 303-761-1245. Please like, share and subscribe and follow us for more exciting projects and updates. Here is the final look of the beautifully restored 1973 Ferrari Daytona.